If you know me by any chance, or if we have ever talked about trading or investing, I want to tell you this. Please do not trade. Please do not take any risk. You will lose it all. Why I'm telling you this is because trading is not easy. But trust me, it's not difficult. You will have to understand various important things before you jump onto trading. Now, I'm not going to tell you the basics here because basics are easy to understand. You can go on Google, you can go on YouTube and learn about all those things. I'm going to tell you about the advanced part. Of course, if you need help in the basic structure, we can talk about that as well. But today, I'm going to make this process of trading extremely easy to understand. And if you want to be profitable, you need to understand these 4 steps that I'm going to tell you today. What are these 4 steps? Number 1 is price action. Now hear me out carefully. Price moves in actions, which means that price always follow a trend and price always creates patterns while following that trend. Now hear this very carefully. If you're bullish, what most of the people do is they jump on to trading, or they jump on to punch orders on the top. When they see then there is a breakout, they move on and they start and punch orders. That's wrong. That's why most of us fails. If you're bullish and the price is moving upward, try to buy at the lower ends. Try to buy at the bottom and not at the top. Because if you will buy at top, they will take your SL and you will be dropped off. Understanding price action is very easy and there's no holy grail apart from price action in trading. Number 1. Number 2, understanding block orders, areas of demand and supply, and price imbalance. This is very, very important. When a price follows a trend, it always leaves areas of imbalance, and price always come back, always, and I have back tested this, to balance these areas. Now, if you are trading and if you know that from where the price will reverse, you can only understand this when you know the areas of demand and areas of supply. And it's easy, you just have to pay attention. So if you're buying, you need to understand that where is the demand, and if you're selling, you need to know where is the supply zone. And these are the only way where you can precisely enter and exit in the market. Trust me, if your entries are pinpoint right, market will give you profit. Third, you need to understand, and there's no important point than this, money management. If you're taking a trade, you cannot be losing more than 1% of your capital in that trade. So if your capital is this, you can't be losing more than this in a trade, which is not more than 1%. So if you're taking a trade as an individual trade, you can't be losing more than 1% of your entire capital. That's simple, that's money management. And fourth, you need to understand the trading psychology. Remember this always. We all are the students of the markets. Even if you know everything, even if you're 100% right, even then you will be beaten down. You will have to understand that markets will beat you even if you're 100% correct, and you will have to accept that. And knowing how to reduce your risk, knowing how to reduce your losses and increasing your profit can help you become profitable. Now, these are the 4 advanced methods that I can help you with to understand and learn. However, before you jump on these 3 or 4 steps, You need to understand the basics. Now, I'm not going to tell you the basics. Of course, you can learn those things. However, if you need my help in understanding the basics as well, you can of course go and enroll. But these are the advanced theories of market which you should definitely learn. Trust me, trading is easy. You need to know the step-by-step process to become profitable.